Good morning! Day 2 here in Hawaii, and today we will be swimming with the sharks. Yes. So for today's swimwear is from Cora Swimwear. Looks super cute ng print. Hibiscus. It's giving Hawaii. Cute, diba? And then nag-ready na din ako ng fins ko. Finally, I'm gonna use it after more than 2 years. I'm gonna bring extra bikini. So magsasambating tayo after. And I'm gonna wear this skirt. Cute! Nilook forward ko talaga yung day na to kasi isa talaga to sa mga bucket lists ko. Nung pumunta kami ng Malapascua, gusto ko sanang mag-dive with the treasure sharks pero kailangan pala may scuba license ka. So, ito na lang tayo. Pero hindi ako magda-dive. Mag-swimming lang ako kasi I think hindi ako pwede bumaba ng malalim kasi parang ano lang siya. Swimming ka lang with the sharks. Ganun. Here is my fins. Let's go!